Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that we should keep trying until we get it right. Let's start our trial for today. We have finished the exercises from our ratio and proportion unitary method from R.S. Agarwal. Let's solve questions which are not there in R.S. Agarwal but are equally important or maybe more important. So if you want to solve and learn along with me, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics. Let's start.
Let's start with another question. This question is about rate of interest. You might be thinking that interest and all we have not read, but believe me, this is a question from grade 6 for grade 6 children. So let's understand what the question is asking us to do. The question says, if the rate of interest on a sum of rupees 1750 for a year is 140, what is the rate percent of interest per annum? See, what is the sum here that's written over here? Sum is what? Suppose I am saving in my banking account, in my saving account, rupees 1750 in one of the banks where I have a saving account. I am saving 1750 because I have saved there this amount of money. Bank can use this money for other purposes. Okay, I'm not going to lose out the money, but bank internally will use this money, okay, for some other purpose. It always does for every person who has an account, savings account. So in return, for every year, suppose I keep this for 5 years, so for each year, after the end of each year, the bank is paying me rupees 140 as a reward. You can call it as a reward. That is actually also called as interest. Okay, this is a reward the bank is paying me every year. Every year is called as annually also. Okay, so bank is paying 140 to me for saving rupees 1750 in my account. The question is asking what is the rate percent of interest per annum. What does the word annum mean? Annum means annually or yearly, means every 12 months. What is this rate percent of interest is what is the interest bank is paying me for 100 rupees. Cent comes from the word century. You must have heard people saying, or you might also have said many a times while watching cricket, that this batsman hit a century. So century means what? 100. So what is the bank paying me? The question is asking that what is the interest, what is the reward the bank gives if I am saving or anyone is saving rupees 100 in the account and saving for 1 year. Annum means annually. So for 1 year, if I keep 100 rupees, what is the interest I am getting? The question is asking this. So let the interest for rupees 100 per annum or annually, if I save rupees 100, this is the amount that I save, then what is the interest I need to find out. So let that be x rupees, because this is what I'm trying to find out. Now the sum that has been given to us, for which we know the interest is 1750. So I write it here. 1750 is to the other sum is 100, right? If I save 100, what interest I'll get, I don't know. So I'm writing that here. Then is as, what is the interest I get for 1750? I get 140 rupees. And what is the interest I get for rupees 100? X amount. Now I can use product of extremes is equal to product of means to find out the value of x. So 1750 multiplied by x, it will be like 1750x equal to 100 into 140, right? Therefore, x is equal to 100 multiplied by 140 divided by 1750. Now let's cancel out the 0 over here. After that, see here, if you see clearly, if you multiply 25 with 7, you will get 175. You can do that, but I am doing it. Either you can do like 5 and 5, because 5 is common factor. You remove or cancel out 5 twice, but I can see that 25 multiplied by 7 is 175. So I'm directly doing that. 25 7s are 175 and 25 4s are 100. Then 7 is here, 14 is here. Let's cancel out. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. What remains is 4 into 2, which is rupees 8. So for 100 rupees, if I save 100 rupees in the bank every year will pay me 8 rupees. Okay. Just for better understanding, suppose I keep rupees 200, okay, then bank will pay me double of rupees 8. Bank will pay me interest of rupees 16. This reward is called as interest. Okay, that's what the question has said. Rate percent of interest. Suppose I keep rupees 250, then what it will pay me? Rupees 16 plus rupees 4, half of it, because I am keeping another half of 100. For 200 it's 16. For half of 100, that is 50 rupees, it will give me rupees 8, which is half, rupees 4, because 8 divided by 2. So it will become rupees 4. So 16 plus 4 will be rupees 20. Okay, this is how uh, we calculate interest on savings that we do in our bank. Okay, let's move to another question of similar kind. Let's start with another question. The question says, Rajiv deposits rupees 9,500 in a bank and receives rupees 665 as interest, like we had discussed in the previous question. What sum of money should he deposit in order to get rupees 945 as interest, provided the rate of interest and the time of deposit are the same? The question is saying that if at the same time when deposited rupees 9,500, suppose he deposits X amount of money as at the same time and at the same rate of interest, means bank is not paying more interest or less interest then that what was paying before. Okay, the rate of interest remains the same. Then what the interest that he gets is rupees 945. But what will be that amount that he needs to deposit to get rupees 945? So let the amount that he needs to deposit, let it be X. Okay, let the amount the sum be X. So here sum is also called as the word principal. The amount that I deposit in the bank, that I save in the bank, can be called as sum, can also be called as principal. Okay, so don't get confused if you see principal word. It just means the amount that a person is depositing. So he is depositing rupees 9,500, right? And for that, how much interest he gets? Rupees 665, right? And for X amount, which you don't know, which you are trying to find out, he is going to get 945 if he saves this X amount of money at the same time, and the bank is also paying the same rate of interest. It's not varying. Then again, this is very simple now. Just 65 into X, product of means with product of extremes, we need to equate 9,500 into 945, right? So now X will be equal to 9,500 into 945 divided by 665. What we just need to do is a simple calculation here. Just we should not get worried with or anxious with the words like interest or sum, whatever, bank. These words should not create anxiety. Then we can solve this question. 5 ones are 5, 6 minus 5 is 1. So it becomes 16. So again 5 threes are 15. 16 minus 15 is 1. Again 15. So 5 threes are 15. Now again 5 ones are 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. It becomes 44. 5 eights are 40. 44 minus 40 is again 4. So it becomes 5 nines are 45. Now 13. Now we know 19 sevens are 133. Sorry, not 133. So 19 sevens are 133. Now here also 19 fives are how much? 19 fives are 95. So 5, and then these 2 zeros I just need to put as it is. Now here there is 189, here there is 7. 189, one of the factors for 189 is 7. So we can cancel this out. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 18 minus 14 is 4. So it becomes 49. So 7 sevens are 49, right? Okay, I'll erase this. 7 sevens are 49. So what remains is 27 multiplied by 500. We will get the amount that he needs to deposit in order to get an interest from the bank of rupees 945. So what it will be? 0 0 I write as it is. 5 sevens are 35. 3 gets carried over. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So it becomes 13,500 rupees. 13,500 he needs to save in the bank so that he gets the interest of rupees 945. We'll do another. Let's start with question number 6. Afsal, an insurance agent, collects rupees 80 lakh worth of policies and gets a commission of rupees 12,000. Ratish collects 56 lakh 60,000 worth of policies. What will be his commission? Now, Afsal is an insurance agent. He will definitely be selling insurance policies. The more number of policies he sells, the more commission or the more reward he will get. Commission is the kind of reward or money that he gets in return for selling more policies. Okay, Ratish is also doing the same thing. So we just need to find his commission. We just need to understand the amount of sales commission which is received by a salesperson like Afshal or Ratish is directly proportional to the quantity sold. So let's that means we can form a proportion here. Let's form the proportion here. 80 lakhs is what Ratish Afsal is selling 80 lakhs. So what is Ratish selling? 56 lakhs 60,000 worth of policies. Okay, this is as 12,000 is what Afsal is getting in return. Okay, that is what is commission that he gets for selling these many worth of policies. Now we don't know Ratish's commission. We'll take it as X. Now let's find out X. 80 lakhs. We'll do this product of extremes first. 80 lakhs into X is equal to 56 lakhs 60,000 into 12,000, right? So now we have to be very careful with the big numbers. I'm just trying not to miss out any zeros. If we miss out, then there will be a mistake. So into 12,000 divided by 80 lakhs. Now we can cancel out the common zeros. See, this question is very easy, but some, not all, but some kids get worried because they would not have come across words like commission, insurance agent, or policies. That is why I choose that this is simple maths. You don't have to do anything different. The way you have solved till now, you just need to go ahead and solve. So cancel out the common zeros. Then we can do this for this also. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. 2 1s are 2. Then 566 is here. So 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So it becomes 16. 2 8s are 6. Then 2 3s are 6 and then 0. So then what remains is 2830 multiplied by 3. It becomes 3 zeros are 0, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 2 gets carried over, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. Rupees 8,490 is the commission that Ratish will get for selling 56 lakh 60,000 worth of policies. I hope I am clear. If not, then please let me in the comment section so that I can solve these questions again, or make you understand through the comment section what exactly needs to be done. Okay.